election rally. The news in detail. The National People's Party kick-started its election campaign in West Jaintia Hills district. Led by NPP National President and Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, a massive rally was taken out from Yao Museang Market to the venue of the election meeting. Along with Sangma, NPP National Vice President Preston Tinsong, spokesperson Ampreen Lingdo, and all the 7 NPP candidates of East and West Jaintia Hills district took part in the meeting. Addressing the gathering, Sangma said that whatever decisions will be taken in the next 5 years will be based on the interest of the people first.
It is the people of the state who will give you the position. It is the people of the state who will help you to take things forward. And therefore, in every decision that you take, always keep the people first.